I'm Chris Johnsen. I'm a PhD student at the Rocky Mountain Center for Occupational Health. I got my undergrad in aeronautics from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. And then I got a Master's of Arts in Human Resource Management from Webster University. And then I also got another master's degree in science from Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University in Occupational Safety Management. I think it's incredibly fascinating to be able to collaborate with others to help change the safety culture in occupation so that people can make better choices and better decisions for their own safety as opposed to relying on someone else to make that for them. I think that if we have the opportunity to do that, that's something that I look forward to actually furthering in my research. Safety is, to me, a higher calling. It is one of those things that I feel, honestly, when I want people to go home with all their fingers and toes. And so I really do want people to be safe in their environment. It's a core belief of mine. And so it is a passionate project. It's something that I espouse whenever I speak and whenever I talk to others about what safety does. So this program lined up very well for me. I was that guy at work that got hurt all the time. During my Air Force career, my first several years, I had some kind of a bandage or had some kind of a sling or had some kind of a crutches that I was on, to the point that my flight chief looked at me and he just like, "Where did we get you?" And I determined from that point on that a lot of the things that I was getting injured on was not only my own choices that I was making, but it was also my ignorant choices that I was making, that there were opportunities that could have been better. And so I learned over time to try and do that, try to change things, to make things better for others. It is a small world. It is a group of dedicated professionals who strive to help people every day. And if you can remember that aspect of it, that you are really in the service of others, that you truly are helping to protect people, then what better thing can you possibly do in your life?